My name is Eric Edwards. I'm President and CEO of Lupaka Gold Corporation. TSX listing, LPK. We've been public for 18 months with our flagship property in southern Peru, the Crucero Gold Project. We currently host 3.4 million ounces combined categories, and we're dedicated to gold and dedicated to Peru. Yes, well, our flagship property is a typical orogenic gold deposit. It's a vein type deposit, and on our Crucero property in southern Peru, we've identified 10 exploration areas that we feel are very prospective in terms of high probability exploration targets. We've only drilled on one of those, and that's where we have now it's 2.2 million ounces on that particular zone. Peru is a great place to work. We have a supportive government, we have a long culture of mining, and an economy that depends upon export of metals. So it has all the characteristics in terms of it's still very open for exploration and a good culture of mining. Lupaka Gold at this point presents a strong portfolio for investors. Peru is suffering right now from an unfair political risk discount, which we find to be, at our level, we find Peru to be a very good place to work. We're getting all the permits, licenses that we need to be able to operate. In addition, Lupaka Gold is unique in that we have about $10 million in cash. We have exploration upside. We have an existing combined resource of 3.4 million ounces. We have a good people. We also have a good investor retail base. So we have good liquidity in our shares. All those things combined are quite unique in this market. We're fully funded to be able to commit to the next 18 months of exploration. 2013 is going to be a very critical year for Lupaka. The most important event in the next 12 months will be, as we expand our exploration program, we believe that we're going to be able to prove to the market that one of our other 10 exploration anomalies hosts a mineralized zone. So at that point we expect to be able to go from a 2.5 million ounce company to a 2.5 million ounce company with a growing resource on another exploration target. That's the key catalyst event. We also expect to be able to, we're looking at joint venturing and picking up some additional properties to assist in filling our exploration pipeline and creating some strategic alliances. Well, I think advice is a difficult thing to give, but in this market I would stress that we have buying opportunities that exist now that have not existed in a generation. Look for companies with cash, look for companies with good targets, with existing resources and reserves that have good people and good strong shareholder support. Be selective, and you will prevail. This market will turn. It may not be next month, it may not be in 6 months, it will turn. Watch for all those elements. Cash, existing cash, good resources, good people. And Lupaka Gold in this market provides all those elements.